smell good though.
Baby, I never know you call somebody else.
I deck it boo. Channel forget your view. Listen to that intro, yeah. What I make for you. Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you for leave it. So the kid who can see it and read it. New video I go upload weekly. Press like so the numbers can get high. Till it run past everybody video. For support the channel, that not killer.
Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I've seen you guys, but I am back. Not really back because you know I'm so busy, but right now I'm switching things up and today's video is me cooking for you. Yes, so sit back, relax and watch and learn a joke. I'm not a pro, but I'm going to try my thing. So I have two hot plates that I'm using to make this meal because I decided that I wanted to use those instead of a stove. Okay, so let's get into this. I'm going to make a sauce from scratch. I don't know what I'm doing, but I bought some ingredients and decided that let's try a thing. You know, like a cup of tea, try a thing cooking show. You guys need to check out a cup of tea's channel as well. Just like me, she hasn't been posting, which we need for, you know, get back into that groove. But I chat too much. Let's go. I'm not put on oil. I'm going to make the sauce first. We have mayo, coconut milk powder. No, this one is not that yet. Vinegar, and some seasonings and so forth. Sugar. I'm going to put the sugar in the sauce. So we have a ranch bottle with a little bit of ranch, and you know, so Jamaicans don't like to, you know, waste things. So we're gonna put the sauce on that and use that bottle to, you know, apply the sauce to whatever meal we're using. Oh, today's meal is shrimp pasta, as you can see by the title. And I have a guest as well. My assistant chef.
Supervisor chef, yeah.
Your wish.
I'm on supervisor chef.
First we're gonna throw some mayo in this. Am I doing it right? Some mayo, right? Mayo only. Then a tip of vinegar. How you know vinegar is? Tip. Yep. Just to get that look, you know. Some sugar, little tops. There we go. Some sugar. Just a little tops of sugar. Some all-purpose seasoning. Don't ask why. I just feel like putting it in it. See that little tops there. Yeah, we could have bought the sauce, but you know, when you're cheap, I just say, you know, I can do this. Yeah, that's one of those days. And a little top of, oh, this ingredients is crazy. Relish. Just the sauce off of the relish. Oopsies, it's gonna come out. It's sweet, man. It have a sweetish. As a sweet relish, you know. Oh, the relish will come out tonight. But whatever, just add a bit of. We're going to keep a little bit of water. Just forget that little bit. Assistant chef.
Yes, ma'am.
Back. Which is right. Alright. But it's sweet, man. I saw shrimp pasta is sweet. Sweet, yes. Okay, so we're gonna throw it in this, you know, we get little ranch with it. The ranch have a little tiny taste. So consistency. Here it is. See that? Yeah. So that's the sauce. No, shake, sit over, shake your body, man.
Shake out this fruit.
I didn't want to shake out. So that is the sauce for the shrimp. Yeah, 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 yeah. No. These are not the ordinary noodles or whatever you use. This is some weird Chinese something. So by we not even can pronounce these words. Can you realize what China writing? We could have write script. And we don't even know. Come. So this is a hot plate. Put some water in it. Remember you have to grate on the garlic. Oh, should I put some garlic in it? Let me do something. Can I grate it? Oh guys, I forgot to put the garlic in the sauce. I'm gonna put some. So he's gonna grate some garlic for me. I'm gonna give him the grater and the container. And then give that for me. Yes, of course you have to peel them. Yeah, teach me.
Yeah, I made a mistake. So do them like this. Take them out.
Yeah.
Put our little layers in. Peel them out. Make sure it's nice and clean like this, so that way.
Nice and clean like me.
No, like me. Like so man them clean and pretty. Yeah. I don't know what she had to about it.
You wish. Anyways, all of these are going to use?
Yeah?
I like what I use. I will know how much it is. So mine?
And then take notes.
Yeah.
This side.
Usually we eat noodles when I just like without them. This tastes like nothing. And shut up food. So we're gonna show some in the cup. Oh no, the black and the white. We need a little salt. Just a little salt in the water.
Just like this.
Wow,
Okay.
that was quick. One more.
Pretty though.
I must say I have garlic what I want, you know. And you do it on the smaller side. You see me up here teaching?
Brush your teeth.
I'm not laugh again.
Alright, so yeah man, so you do it, you know? Real chef style, really hard man thing, you do it.
The more for the actual smaller side. Oh, sorry. I never cooked shrimp before. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge in the meantime. This is a shrimp I have rainforest seafood shrimp.
No problem. Can't cut a bag?
Instead of help.
John knows that. Don't cut your hands, sweetheart.
I didn't want that. I wanted the ziplock to open. You see, I'm careful.
Yeah, well, that's how we did it, you know.
Alright, so water is in this container. We're gonna use it to wash the shrimp.
Oh, it smells good already.
Yeah. They wash already. Pretty. Alright, so I'll come with the white pepper. Wrong cover.
The garlic.
Eh? No, show them the garlic.
Okay.
So this is a garlic. That's enough.
That's how you grate a garlic here, guys.
This is the next hot plate. Can put up this. Then plug it in the wall. Then turn it on. What else? Oh, you're gonna make the juice, right?
Mm-hmm.
If I look at vinegar after just make it thin. Where do you have vinegar already, sir? You never remember? Oh boy.
More the merrier.
The more the merrier. That's why the more.
That's my sponsor, you know, so.
The more the merrier.
Sponsor vinegar. Mm-hmm.
That's what I know vinegar. That's very pretty. Alright. Do you want the pot hot? Oh, we're gonna put the oil. Oh, gotcha. I remember saying to season shrimp. Yeah, the fried people that want me see on the videos. So look at all purpose. You say it? We are telling the people that when I season shrimp, season them food. You never remember saying to season this. Put me there and put in a pot, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Chicken season. Come on now, make it when it does that.
I'm gonna cut up that onion here.
Oh yes, get the onion then. It's easy.
You see it now, if a supervisor I come past it.
Oh, real cut it. What knife I use?
That.
What knife I use?
No, that, the coaster.
This?
Yeah.
Don't cut it too big, yeah? So that, put like a black pepper.
Low.
I tried to something big. You weren't supervising me, huh? If I look at the pasta, I know it's easy then, kinda. I look at
Take out some and wash it off.
no, it's fine.
Sure? Alright.
You know, I don't do nothing. Just I look at the pasta. If you want to look at more salt or small spice, we'll do that afterwards. So, our seasoned shrimp. Okay, look here. Oil. Yeah. Put in the noodles. So, you put your noodles. Add the iron.
Alright. That's it.
What the iron noodles? I'll bring you off the turkey.
Go on, just here.
Onions.
Brown pepper. Brown pepper. Yeah, put together.
Garlic. Yeah.
Sweet pepper.
No, not yet. Pepper. Just a little bit of oil, as I said before. Put it out. Gonna put it in the pot. You know what I do wrong? Since a garlic butter shrimp, I should have put garlic, make it fry in the oil first, so you can have the flavor in it. You know, but it will work same way. Oh, it smells good though. Alright. Come, Daddy.
Juice.
Yeah. Don't try this at home, but I'm gonna do something crazy. I'm gonna fry one of the nuggets and then grate it in the pasta when it's finished cooked. So get that little gritty texture or whatever. Don't try it at home. Remember, it's just what you do with recipe. Oh, what a making.
Tropical punch. There you go.
Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid tropical. Ooh.
Oh yeah, tropical punch.
Okay,
yeah.
yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, now the juice, man.
Yeah.
Like the good juice.
Yeah. Alright. So guys, this is how the noodle turned out.
Big ramen.
Yeah. Gonna turn it off because them soft now. We don't want them too soft either. Turn it out back in the same container that the sauce was in. Look like a shoes lace. Juice is finished. Good job. This is a noodle. Yeah, you know we use the same container. So you get some of the sauce already. So guys, shrimp one in with itself. I'm gonna put the butter now. Too much?
No, that's alright.
Yeah, the chef one here, you know.
That's alright.
That's fine. I'm too like you don't want more garlic.
What's that?
Garlic.
No, no.
Eh?
No need no more.
Alright, chef. Don't forget about everything now. This is onion and scallion.
Smells good.
Thank you, it's me. I'm a chef, you know. I've been chefing for 24 years.
So old are you?
48. Don't follow me, I use spoon, guys. No spoon in the past. We've been far. We'll have to turn down the fire to this fire. Watch out, see about the nuggets. Can't take out. Put in the noodles. That eats, you know? That eats all now. Alright, it's time to spice it up now. I'm tasting it, darling. Come on. Taste it. Taste it. Just taste it. It can eat, you know? So I want.
I'll get some chopstick.
Just taste the noodle and the shrimp. Like, I never taste the shrimp, I taste the noodle. Nice, huh? Jesus Christ. Time. Put it to the side so it can have something there. Don't want the sticky knife. Grate of this, the nuggets. Ooh, hot. See that? In the same container, I'm gonna mix out the coconut milk powder. A little water. Our sauce that we made from scratch. That's enough. Then our bell pepper, also known as sweet pepper. Remember a video was behind every behind every hungry man is a woman taking pictures, something like that.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I'll say it is the first time. You know what my taste?
What?
Taste top restaurant.
Top restaurant? Yeah.
$12,000 meal. Yeah. Especially, you know, them look a meal there, you know.
Yeah.
Have no bag of nothing, but it just expensive.
Yup.
My taste expensivity.
Expensivity. For sure.
Excellent.
Okay, my turn to try.
Excellent. Bomba, baby. I never know that come out somebody else.
Yeah, me too. It's just the idea come to my head, you know.
Yep. Like this.
What's that? What's that for?
Nice though. Yeah, it's bad. It's bad people. It's bad. And the exaggeration. It's bad. Alright, nobody eat off everything before I start eat.
Wait. Thank you for the
I know I
juice.
should have some red wine I have.
But say, well guys, that's the end of the video. I thank you all for watching and we'll see you in